Hello students and welcome to another episode of Microwave Spectroscopy. Today we will be learning about the selection rule of this particular technique. Okay, so let's say what are the selection rules. Rule number 1 says that a rotating molecule must possess a permanent dipole moment so as to interact with the oscillating electric field of EMR. That means the basic requisition of the molecule to undergo resonance with the electromagnetic radiation or the microwave part of EMR is nothing else but the dipole moment, which should be permanent. So the gross selection rule for a molecule to show rotational spectrum is that it should have a permanent dipole moment. Why does this happen? Because a permanent dipole moment will actually lead to an oscillating electric field as the molecule rotates. So this is the molecule which is rotating. Okay, so it will lead to an oscillating electric field whenever it rotates or when its rotation motion is going on, and this can interfere with the electric field due to the EMR. Okay, so this is rule number 1, selection rule number 1.